Hi guys, this is Topper Chef here. Today we're going to make chai, or we call it masala chai. Now you can get chai at Starbucks. Now I can save you a lot of money if you learn how to make this chai the simple way. So this is very simple. You need, because this is masala chai, I put ginger in it. That's optional for you. It's like a herbal drink. And ginger is as an antioxidant, is very good to curtail a lot of ailments in your body. So for this we got so much, 2 inches of ginger, few pieces of clove, and then cardamom, which has been crushed. And all you can do is put this into it and just crush it a little bit. So the flavor of the ginger comes out into it, and then we're gonna put this in the chai mixture. Okay, for this it's very important that you have to take cold water, then bring it to a boil a little bit, not to a boil. Before that you got to put all your spices in. That's the ginger and everything, and steep this for at least 1 boil. So always for a good chai, you gotta have clean, fresh water reaching boiling point first. Now we're gonna raise the flame and get all the flavor of the ginger and cardamom and cinnamon in this thing. So we get it to a boil first. Okay, so now our water has come to the boil. To this, now if you want a strong tea, I usually use 1 cup of water to 1 tablespoon of chai powder. This is Indian, the best Indian tea you can get. And then put it inside there. Now let it come to a boil again. Watch out so it doesn't come out. Now let it simmer on this high heat for maybe 1 minute or so to get all the flavor of the tea and everything. Watch out so it doesn't move out. There you go. And what this does is gets the flavor of the tea in the water along with the ginger and everything. So this is a very important step. And now once this is done for a minute or so, you got to add your milk and cool it down and let it come to a boil again. Now even the milk is optional. Whatever, if you want it milkier, you can add more milk. If you don't want it milkier, you can add it. Some people add very less milk to it because they want just black tea. You can have it as black tea also. Now this is the way they make chai in India, and you can add sugar to it here, or you can add sugar later on, so it doesn't matter. But now this has to come to a boil on high heat. Okay, so now you can see this milk is coming to a boil. Now this is the key to it. Let it not overboil or whatever. Let it slowly cook. And this is your chai, guys. Don't spill it. Let it simmer for some time. Okay, now you can see the froth coming out of it. That's when you know that this has simmered well and everything. See the color of it. It's nice, a light brown. This is the classic chai. Voila, it's ready. Hi guys, so you saw my recipe for the chai or the masala tea, and you can also store this very well and drink it iced throughout the day. Now if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!